We're here on Panasonic stand, and of course the big news this year at Photokina 2018 is the company's entry into the full-frame mirrorless market with the Panasonic Lumix S1 and the S1R. But the manufacturer is also very committed to its Micro Four Thirds system, and it's announced a new lens, and we're taking a look at it here. It's the DG Vario-Summilux 10 to 25mm f1.7. Now this is the world's first of its kind. It's a very, very fast, wide-angled lens, and this is going to be very, very popular with Panasonic users who are using cameras such as the Lumix G9 and the GH5 or GH5S. Just taking a look at the top of the lens, we can see that the lens accepts filters via a 77mm thread, and it also has clickless aperture control for those who want to work silently. Pricing and availability hasn't been released yet, so we're going to have to wait until next year for this, but we're expecting this lens to come onto market hopefully in the early part of 2019. Check back to Amateur Photographer for many more videos here at Photokina 2018.